DJI just announced the Mavic 3 Pro, which has been included in the well-known Mavic series. Just by looking at the specifications, it seems that this new drone will close the bridge between DJI's affordable alternatives and the Inspire 3. In this video, we're going to analyze how this Mavic 3 Pro will fit right in the semi-pro consumer drone category. Stay till the end to find out. DJI Mavic 3 was launched in 2021 with a 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera and a half-inch tele camera. It was a massive upgrade over the Mavic 2, but because of incompetent pricing, many were stuck with their Mavic 2 or other drones. 2022's Mavic 3 Classic featured the same 4x3 CMOS sensor excluding the tele camera. It's an instant hit among the mass consumers. And now, DJI dove deep into a more professional zone where a few weeks ago DJI Inspire 3 was announced with a massive price tag of $16,500. This drone is definitely not for everyone, so semi-professional drone lovers were disappointed to say the least. But DJI bounced back with the Mavic 3 Pro, which is a nice blend between professionals and amateurs. Just to be clear, there are two versions of this new drone, Mavic 3 Pro and Mavic 3 Pro Cine. Both are exactly the same, except the Cine version can record ProRes. Now, the 3 Pro is equipped with a new triple camera setup featuring the same 4/3 Hasselblad camera found in the previous model. This primary camera has a 24mm lens, which is similar to the standard Mavic 3. In addition, it's accompanied by a new 70mm medium tele camera and a 166mm zoom camera, providing more accurate framing options for users. The Hasselblad camera in the Mavic 3 Pro retains its maximum resolution of 5.1K at a maximum frame rate of 50 FPS, and it also has the ability to capture slow motion footage at 120 FPS in DCI 4K mode. Meanwhile, the new 3X camera has the capability to capture videos in 4K at 60 FPS and take photos of up to 48 megapixels. The tele camera has also received an improvement in its light performance as it now supports a wider aperture of f-stop 3.4, which is an upgrade from its previous aperture of f-stop 4.4 and supports recording up to 4K at 60 FPS. These cameras are well upgraded over their predecessors, but some cost-cutting and design modifications needed to happen to feature those, so what's the catch? Well, the battery size is reduced, so the flight time will be reduced in comparison to the Mavic 3 Classic. And if you use the new DJI Aperture 5.0, it will get even less runtime. Also, it's 70 grams heavier than the Mavic 3, so the top speed is slightly reduced as well. The Mavic 3 Pro retains several features that are unchanged from its predecessors, such as DJI's OcuSync O3 Plus technology. It also offers DJI's intelligent modes, including the stable track shot focus track feature, as well as the capability to automatically shoot and edit videos with master shots. The return to home or RTH feature is also the same as the last year's Mavic. If you go for the Cine version, you'll get the support for Apple ProRes encoder, specifically 422HQ, 422 and 422LT, with the addition of 1TB of internal storage for handling all these. Granted, it'll not capture footage quite like the new Inspire 3, but it's definitely better than the base model and enables you many options in post. The one thing we liked most about the Mavic 3 Classic was the newly introduced DJI RC controller. We recommend everyone to get the Classic with the RC remote, which costs about $1749. Mavic 3 Pro base model already comes with that remote and the package costs $2199. As we go through all the specifications and upgrades this new Pro is getting, we think $450 is a justifiable hike on DJI's part. If you're gonna buy a new DJI semi-pro drone, we highly recommend you check out the DJI Mavic 3 Pro over the Mavic 3 Classic. And if you need a taste for the Inspire 3 on a budget, you should go for the Mavic 3 Pro Cine, priced at $4799. So what do you think about the new DJI Mavic 3 Pro? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below, and of course, thanks for watching.